Increase profit and quantity from support or resistance. Book profit and loss by keeping double and half call and put at least 50 points in the money. Cover loss from profit. 1. Table of contents. 2. Timetable. 3. Process to learn and start working in the stock market. 4. Take complete information of law, rule, notification, etc. by study and experience. 5. Follow the most important information given by all YouTubers and experts which you are not following. 6. Never start trading if you have not completed the following work. 7. Trade starts on Friday at 10 a.m. and ends on Thursday at 3:10 p.m. 8. Information needs to be checked before starting trading. 9. The first thing to do is identify the market trend as per the data and information. 10. Market range is decided mainly by option data. 11. Our main plan and Hero Zero plan to become experts. 12. Price and quantity table for the Hero Zero plan. 13. Decide start strike price and the price and quantity table to keep call or put. 14. Always the best strike price to enter the trade is 50 points in the money and Hero Zero plan. 15. Simple process to start, buy and keep only one lot in loss and increase quantity in profit only. 16. Stop loss rules to decide and modify hour, day, week, month stop loss and target support or resistance points. 17. Maximum 2000 losses are stop losses and 10,000 profits are the first targets. 18. In case of profit, the minimum stop loss is given. 19. If quantity increased, call side, put side or both sides without profit and without plan, then reduce the quantity to one lot. 20. Suggestion given after 1,91,000 loss and old put table to follow. 21. Improvement suggested after 2,50,000 loss. 22. 5 main points given by 5 Rainbow team members. Buy Nifty 1 call, put out of the money, 10% premium at near 7, sell 1 call, put at the money or nearest out of the money, 100% premium at near 70 to close first buy call, then sell call, increase quantity in profit only and change the strike price when it becomes in the money or repeat the same process after a minimum loss of 2000, keeping in mind risk management and available balance. Strong psychology. Never divert from selling, otherwise the opportunity will be missed. Most positive thing in option buying is that if you buy psychology, never divert from selling, otherwise the opportunity will be missed. Most positive thing in option buying is that if you buy with no premium, then if the market moves 100 points, the profit will be rupees 100. Buy if the market moves 100 points against the trend. You will have only rupees 50 losses. Take advantage of the golden point. On 29 November 2023 in loss, we have kept so many strike prices and tried to average to cover losses, but we could not cover losses and took a loss of rupees 82,884.75. So how to book losses? Start with only one strike price near 100 points away from the index point. Try to average to cover the loss when it's become out of the money. Then exit from trade at once and then change the strike price first. Make a profit from option selling. Take a risk on that profit only for option buying or Hero Zero plan. Increase quantity in profit only. How to take profit? Book profit from upper strike price and buy lower strike price with some extra quantity, but be very careful if it becomes to loss. First sell all and keep only one lot. If we will not bring to one lot, then our all profit becomes a big loss about reversal, as 90% times our biggest profit converted into a big loss several times after reversal, and we have lost our 90% of our money because of this mistake. In this case, we have two options. We remain very careful and either we keep only one lot or we keep in the money quantity on an amount which is allowed or variable if it's becomes zero. Two, timetable. Things to check. Analyze and discuss with Rainbow team member is first check which plan is being implemented. Second, the market environment data option change and market movement. Then third, decide and explain the weakness limitation of implemented plans and strategy. Then fourth, give the best plan and strategy for the present market environment and movement. Instead of increasing your own plan, link it with the best option selling strategies. The most important thing to to know is different plan and a different strategy for a different type of market. Movement, presuming, analyzing, making plans, making plans, implementing plans. The market is not moving or moving in a very small range, box for a very long time. When it breaks the range box, then the market gives a big movement. But be careful, this can be a false fake breakout and the market can give a very sharp and big reversal. I was never disciplined, due to which I lost my all money because I never learned how to take loss, and also I could not take loss myself. So you must take loss and you must learn how to take a loss, and you must accept loss from heart, and you must treat loss as normal process and hard truth. So you stop option trading if you can't book loss. When your option buying call or put become at the money or out of the money, and you also book loss in option selling when you sell call or put become in the money. You must learn how to book profit by changing strike price, selling high strike price and buying in the money low strike price. But always keep in mind that how to lock your profit means whichever profit you are getting, that must not be converted into loss. Because several times I was in big profit, but market given reversal and my big profit converted into big loss. So always be prepared for big reversal. Buy at a small strike price in the money and booking profit by selling high price call or put. Points. Places of biggest loss. 1. We buy call or put at the money or out of the money. Slowly or on the day of expiry, rapidly becomes 0. 2. When the market gives a big reversal. 3. When the market gives a big movement towards upside or downside. If we would have adopted an appropriate plan and strategy for different types of market movement, then most of the losses was converted into profit. So be very careful and vigilant to adopt different types of plan and strategy for different types of market. Never adopt only this type of strategy for all types of market movement. 3. Process to learn and start working in the stock market. Stock market in children and option trading in execution at present as a family business. Knowledge need, skills required, information needed on the trading day, infrastructure, capital, supervised and under observation trade minimum period, minimum experience needed to trade independently, plan your days up, down and range trade strategies, presume every aspect of market and operator, FIA, DIA, move in advance. How to start? Before starting your trade, we must be aware about loss and target. How to take profit? Presume and discuss in advance that how you will book a profit or loss. How to take a loss? Always presume in advance about the every aspect of the market. How to close a trade? Before starting your trade, you must be aware about trade movement in advance. Analyze your day's mistake and accuracies. Your new learning and experience today. Now we will not start as option buyers. Now we are mainly option seller and buy the option occasionally and with profit only. Wrong trade stop in beginning only. Otherwise, as you know your weakness, you will not be able to exit from wrong trade later and finish with big loss. If you don't want to be loser, so never start with wrong trade. Exit from trade immediately when you know that you have taken wrong trade. My biggest weakness is when I take a wrong trade or reach and keep wrong trade. At that I could not exit and finish with a very big losses. This was the end of my own money, including rupees 20,000 taken from Mr. Manik. 99% money I lose in out of the money. Strike price trade. So never trade in out of the money strike price. Whenever strike price becomes out of the money, sell the trade immediately. And also 99% money I lost in the recovering of loss. So never try to recover losses. Always try to start fresh. Avoid buy today, sell tomorrow, BTST trade. Every day starts fresh and close in the evening. Most favorable time to trade is after 1 p.m. or before opening of Europe market. become advanced and presume and discuss in advance the expiry strike price operators FIA DIA move global market opening and closing. We lost all money by taking unplanned trade. Stop yourself from unplanned trade, otherwise you will lose everything and you will finish yourself and your family. Give first priority and do everything to stop yourself from unplanned trade. As today I brought 1000 quantity at rupees 19 price by thinking that the price will not go below, but it's reaching rupees 0.50 paisa. Sell call at top and put at bottom at start of the week and month of expiry. Two loss nearest out of the money. By doing this, you will earn a minimum rupees 2000 days. First, make yourself satisfied with this amount. This is the first step to make yourself self-disciplined, because you are very undisciplined and you lost your all money due to this indiscipline. This amount is more than enough for beginning and stability. Best option is banking Nifty because the premium is very high and strike price difference is 100 points. You can start in the middle. The operators will not be able to close at strike price, because most of the time operators try to finish the expiry at strike price only. Plan your day, trade accordingly for big profit, but with profit only, not with your capital. 4. Take complete information of law, rule, notification, etc. by study and experience. Take complete information of law, rule, notification, etc. by study and experience. Otherwise, our family's capital and life will be finished. As we made a mistake on September 28, 2023 by selling our position after 3:15 p.m. on expiry and all traded amounts, and profit got zero. Our amount was reduced from rupees 1 lakh to rupees 45,000 without any loss. On September 28, 2023, after 3:30 p.m. and after finishing my all trade, my cash was showing rupees 86,335.59 and my day loss was showing rupees 7,888.50 rupees. But today my part of profits was not included in my total cash and it got reduced to rupees 45,422.84. In option trading, all the plans have their weakness, so we must be knowing and discussing the strength and weakness of our plan before starting trading, and defense mechanisms to protect ourselves from those weaknesses. Every day the market environment gets changed and the market also changes its behavior and movement as per the data, global environment and option chain. We gets changed and the market also changes its behavior and movement as per the data, global environment and option chain. We must have different ready-made and tailor-made plans and strategies for different types of market environment and movement in advance with their weakness and strengths. We need to adopt different plans and strategies for different types of market. For 10. This is the day. This is the 28th September, in which we were having cash of 86,000 and we made a loss of 7,888 rupees. But next day our amount was reduced to 45,000 and the before day's profits were not added. 5. Follow the most important information given by all YouTubers and experts which you are not following. Never buy both call and put, because on September 20 and 21 we made a profit of rupees 1 lakh in put, but at the same time we took a loss of more than 1 lakh in the call. So never buy both calls and put together. During Hero Zero and other trades, on one side was profit and on the other was a big loss, and the loss was continuously increasing due to premium decadency. Ultimately, we took a big loss and could not take advantage of the available opportunity. We have taken lakhs of losses due to premium decay and by buying calls and put together. For the overnight position, we must hedge in double and half sequences. Never buy more than 50 points in the money, because due to this mistake, we took a loss of 2,50,000 one time and 1 lakh another time. We can start with one lot and sell it at support and resistance. From there, we can buy it again. We can go for reversal or continuation after checking all data, sentiments, news, advice, YouTube, telegrams, etc. Follow the most important information given by all YouTubers and experts which we are not following. Decide to take a trade after checking all data, sentiments, news, advice, YouTube, telegrams, etc. and having an evening and morning discussion with all Rainbow family members regarding whether we buy a call or put. But keep in mind stop loss and target, and buy only one lot or one call or put in one time. Seeds for the option sellers is 1. Buy call and put with no premium and sell call and put with maximum premium. Limitation: it is beneficial only in stable and range bound market. As much range bound market, that much premium is available at the money or out of the money strike price. Difference mechanism or risk management: change your strike price as per market movement to maximize your profit, and be very careful and vigilant on market movement, and be quick to change strike price to make profit. Seeds have the lowest cost and the least amount of the loss, because on the day we lost everything. Nifty in the money call and put both were available for rupees 1. The biggest error occurred when we bought call and put at strike price between rupees 1 and 25. The differences in price between the call and put would always be rupees 50 paise. The nearest in the money Nifty was available at 1 rupees, but it would become 0 until the evening. We won't ever experience a loss if you keep buying cheap and selling high. This is our seed plan. In the money, strike price can be purchased on one side, and if there is a profit, a margin of rupees 25 to 50, then buy call or put to other side. In order to increase our capacity and risk management limit, this would be the seed for option buying in order to create a tree with the least amount of cost and loss and the greatest amount of profit. So on the day of finishing our all money, our biggest mistakes was we bought call and put same strike price. Biggest solution is that there must be difference of one side and other strike price rupees 50 paise. In this case, we will either in one side profit or in both side profit. Six, never start trading if you have not completed the following work. Never start trading if you have not completed the following work. Follow the timetable, all housework. Take your morning food. You are fit, not ill. You have to remind everyone about the planned videos. You have checked all the data and know the market trend. Never buy more than the quantity listed if you are at a loss. Kernels goodly, used as or become seed. Beach, when we saw kernel seeds become trees. We need to grow our plan and strategy as seeds grow and become a big tree. Seed starting points: buy in the money call or put at rupees 1. After some time, with difference of one strike price, buy call or put to another side. So the following two plans are seed, and the required minimum capital is rupees 100 at strike price at rupees. So the below given plans are the starting points to think about and make different plans and strategies as per different market environment and movements. Best plan: 1. Scalp with in the money call and put with unlimited quantity as per plan for unlimited profit. Start with one lot and increase the quantity in profit only. We lost our all money because we were buying both call and puts at same strike price. Weakness in this plan is if the market gives big movement either up or down side, and our quantity and loss may increase on loss side. The defense mechanism is continuously increasing or decrease call or put at profit side or loss side to protect yourself from premium decay, and always try to decrease your average price by continuously buying and selling. If you loss is continuously increasing, then try to minimize your quantity and loss, but never make your quantity maximum as per your limit in loss. Best plan 2. Buy call and put with no premium and sell call and put with maximum premium. The flaw in this strategy is that it will maximize your loss. If the market keeps growing, as it will not increase the quantity on the loss side. However, the market keeps growing in the direction of the profit side, you will only be able to make a little profit there. Seed. First, buy minimum price or in the market, in the money put or call. Then second, after some time, buy the cheapest in the money call or put. Try to increase the quantity in profit only. Always tries to buy cheapest call or put in the money or near to in the money at the cheapest price. It might be less than 1 rupees also, so buy as much cheaper in the money we are buying, that much it's good for our plan and strategy. So if our profit increases from one side, then we have opportunity to buy cheapest on the opposite side. So take the advantage of this golden opportunity and buy at the cheapest price in the money. If the market continues moving to one side, your profit will increase on the same side. But if the market gives reversals, then you get profit from another side. Keep in mind that premium decay is your major enemy to counter. To counter premium decay, buy and sell at cheapest in the money on regular intervals, which is your best friend. So take advantage of your friend and keep ready for and implement a ready-made and tailor-made strategy and plan to protect yourself from your enemy, that is a premium decay in buying side. But on the selling side, your best friend is premium decay. So take the benefits of premium decay in selling. Grow like seeds to tree, and our seeds equal to starting points to think. Make plan strategy and implement equal to minimum price in the money at one side, and after getting benefits in one side, then only cheapest in the money in other side in option buying. 7. Trade starts on Friday at 10 a.m. and ends on Thursday at 3:10 p.m. There is no excuse for not following the rules. 1. Trend not followed of 1 minute, 5 minutes, 1 hour, 1 day, 1 week, 1 month, 3, 6, 12 months. 2. Always increase profit. 3. Never try to recover a loss. 4. In greed, don't lose your savings. 5. We are put option traders, so we don't do anything in the up market against the trend. 6. Buy 10 to 30 points earlier to 70 and 30 points. What will be stop loss in expectation of reversal, because 95% give reversal from 100 points and 80% gives reversal from 50 points in its first attempt. In the second, third and fourth attempts, it becomes weaker and can break easily. So trade for continuation accordingly. If you follow your plan strictly, there is no chance of loss. You will only have profit. 1. The maximum limit is 25% of the available amount in the account. 2. Never do scalping or anything in loss. 3. Start with one lot only. 4. Today we did not follow this stop loss plan and exited at 70 and 30. 5. We did not follow the plan that we have to exit in profit only and take a loss of 1,50,000 to recover a loss of rupees 1,90,000. We took a loss of rupees 60,000. To recover this amount, we took a loss of rupees 90,000 extra on September 7, 2023. The total loss was 2,50,000. 6. We could have stopped at 35, 30, 25, 20 and 15, but we could not stop at any places and lost rupees 1 lakh and rupees 50,000. It has been proven that losses starts on Friday at the start of the new expiry, because the strike price and premium decay are very high. Monday also starts with the previous day of loss. Thursday's expiration day also started with previous losses and we could not recover from them and faced huge losses. The solution is to start with one call and one put only on cheap price on both sides. Increase quantity only if it is profitable, otherwise stay with one lot of call and put. In this way, loss would be limited and profit would be unlimited. 8. Information needs to be checked before starting trading. Hero Zero plan in profit and with profit only, never with capital. Buy 1000 cheap put and call near to expiry and at the money. Decrease the quantity from loss side and increase profit and quantity by scalping in profit side only. But don't forget to put stop loss before doing scalping. Do not increase or decrease the quantity if it crosses the rate below or above. If you do not follow stop loss in scalping, so it can give you big loss and stop you to make big profit. If the profit amount is less than quantity may be increased, decreased, and profit amount is more than quantity may be increased. Check data before trading. Account position and amount in trading account in European, American, and Asian market traded, including global market. Check analysis and compare Asian markets with Nifty 50 to know their trend and momentum. ADR of major stocks like Reliance, TCS, HDFC Bank, etc. Option 10 data. Nifty 50 stocks trend, oil 12 Nifty index trend, dollar index, crude oil prices, dollar rupee price, market trend and sentiments, major news. Study and discuss all those factors given in the video who affects market. We have divided stock markets topic in 60 parts which can be studied and discussed date-wise 2 topics on one date by connecting our stock market topics with our school syllabus. 9. The first thing to do is identify the market trend as per the data and information. The maximum 2000 loss is the stop loss at any cost or in any circumstances. So, start changing the strike price at 250 loss only so that we can't reach to maximum limit of 2000 stop loss. The first thing to do is identify the market trend as per the data and information and then decide to trade with either both call or put or both sides as per the given trade. Serial number, market, normal, top resistance, bottom support. 1. Very bullish, call, put, 0 put, 0 call. 2. Bullish, call with less put for hedging, sell 1 call at the money or nearest out of the money. Change the strike price when it becomes in the money. Sell 1 put and at the money or nearest out of the money. Change the strike price when it becomes in the money. 3. Volatile, both call and put. Increase quantity as per profit. Buy next put after a minimum loss of 2000 loss, keeping in mind risk management and available balance. Buy next call after minimum 2000 loss, keeping in mind risk management and available balance. 4. Very bullish, very bearish, put. Buy next put after minimum loss after a minimum 1000 loss, keeping in mind risk management and available balance. Buy next call after a minimum 1000 loss, keeping in mind risk management and available balance. 5. Bearish, put with less call for hedging. Buy next put after minimum 500 loss, keeping in mind risk management and available balance. Buy next call after minimum 500 loss, keeping in mind risk management and available balance. The best option is keep only call or put in the trending side with stop loss, but sometimes in volatile market stop loss hit both sides. So we need to buy both call and put turn by turn whenever it's available at cheap price only. Always buy either call or put in one time. Never buy call and put together. When the call is available at cheap prices, then buy a call. If after some time put is available at cheap prices, and then buy put also. But keep it in mind that the profit must be increasing. If it is decreasing, then reduce the quantity soon as possible. Always keep 50 points in the money by changing this strike price and booking profits or loss. Keep one lot of one strike price. If it is in the loss more than 250 or 500 or 1000, change the strike price on the same side. Market range is decided mainly by the option data. Market range is decided mainly by option data. If option data is one-sided, the volatility range can be increased. If call sellers are more, then market range is decided mainly by option if call sellers are more than put sellers, buy put from up if the put sellers are more than a call sellers, then buy a call from bottom. The way the market moved today demonstrated how completely the operators and large traders controls the market. Although the market was declining today, the operators wanted in the morning to close it at 19,800, so they managed the market to move only 10 to 20 points up or down, and the market closed at 19,800 only. We need to predict the type of the market in which the operator has scheduled the closure based on the data from option chain call and put transactions. Make appropriate trade planning. Yesterday and today we exceeded our quantity without prior planning, which led to large transactions. Make appropriate trade planning. Yesterday and today we exited our quantity without prior planning, which led to large losses on both days. Recall that in a rapidly movement market, if you are increasing volumes after booking low profit, the strike price shouldn't be greater than 20. The market type and close on the base of option chain data and market trend in strength. 1. At the strike price. 2. A reduced market close. 3. The market close higher. 4. After an up or down or a side moment, the market makes a significant reversal. 5. The market moves in the 3 range, large, medium and small. 6. Market will open upside to go down. 7. Market will open down to go up. 8. After moving up or down, market will 9. Market move up or down, then give large, medium and small bounce back, then continue the move. Keep the quantity in control all the time. Minimum quantity at bottom or maximum quantity at the top as per plan, because whenever we lose our control and increased quantity without plan, we face huge loss. So never lose your control either in slow, medium or fast moving market or in big, medium or small profit and loss. Buy in the money strike price near rupees 20 in fast moving market, so that your profit can be unlimited, and in case of loss it's limited to 20 only, because we face huge loss. So never lose your control either in slow, medium or fast moving market is big, medium or small and loss. Buy in the money strike price near rupees 20 in fast moving market, so that your profit can be unlimited, and in case of loss it's limited it's to 20, because we were in rupees 25,000 profit and book some profit, and both brought same or extra quantity at small price. Then market has given very strong reversal, and we faced loss of rupees 21,000 same day and rupees 50,000 at the key next day. So never increase quantity without plan and strategy. In case of the worst result, so always keep in mind the worst side of the trade and keep plan and strategy to protect yourself. The quantity bought at less than 20 will be separate from one quantity bought at rupees 120 as per plan. Keep in mind that quantity bought at rupees 20 has more chances to become zero in increased quantity. There is more chance to loss. And in a hero zero plan, all the time we face huge loss in very small time. So all the time keep in control and in not increase quantity without plan. Always keep in mind the worst side of your trade result and your surviving strategy before taking any decision to trade. All the time start fresh. If you try to recover your previous loss, you will lose your all money. We purchased calls and puts today, and our combined loss was steadily rising. At times the calls were profitable while the puts were not, so we were not selling. If things continue this way, sell the profitable part first, then sell the other side as it starts to make profit or near to recover loss. Our main plan and here's your plan to become experts. Main plan: if the market is falling, keep the given put. If the market is rising, buy the call for hedging and scalping. If the market is in range, scalp with both put and call, be careful and prepared for the big moment. On one side, by keeping the quantity of the trend side only, practice is needed to become an expert in this setup. By using this setup, we can earn our livelihood daily and also get huge profits when opportunities are available. But we take a risk only on profit. Never take a risk on loss or capital. At the top, start with call only one put and keep increasing one put after each rupees 1000 loss. After reaching the first target level, buy one call and put, increase one call after each rupees 1000 loss and keep increasing one call after each rupees 1000 loss. After reaching the second target level, sell one put after increasing 1000 profit. At the bottom, call may be used at the place of put. Some changes can be made as per the market movement, because in September 22, 2023 we had a profit of rupees 25,000 at September at put, but between 230 and 330 our rupees 25,000 profit converged into a rupees 6,000 loss. If we could have started buying calls as per the above plan and increased the quantity of profit only, we could have increased our profit or saved some of the profit. After comparison between Nifty Midcaps, like Nifty Financial Services, Nifty Bank and Nifty 50, consider starting to buy one call from the most down index and one put from the most up index per the as per the above plan. Hero Zero plan. Start Hero Zero by keep and increase in the money from rupees 10 and add the money from rupees 5. Otherwise, we will face a big loss, as we have taken loss of 90,000, 25,000, 12,000, 6,000 and 3,000 in very small time. Several times try to make the average price less than Hero Zero or and then zero or minimum. Otherwise, whatever amount you use for zero trade will become zero or minimum. Increase the amount to cover loss as much as possible. A table of losses is available is given below to cover loss or book loss. By keeping different index or strike price at a good level and increase quantity for big and unlimited profit in profit only. 12. Price and quantity table for the Hero Zero plan. Hero Zero plan, profit plan, price, loss plan. 1010, 500, 915, 450, 820, 400, 725, 350, 630, 300, 535, 250, 440, 200, 345, 150, 250, 100, 155, 50. 1214. Today we took more than loss than 2,000 and made a big loss in the previous day two trade. Today also we could not exit after a 2,000 loss, so follow the plan. Never trade in losses and exit when trade hit 2,000 losses. Price and quantity are given in the table for the Hero Zero plan. 330. In the Hero Zero, always buy on deep and sell on high. On the day of expiry, in put and call was 30 points undervalued and put was 30 points overvalued. Always trade with undervalued assets and book profits from time to time. Due to this problem, we faced a loss of 25,000 on September 21, 2023. So always increase quantity as per plan with profit only. Today's biggest mistake was that we bought 200 calls at rupees 70, but the price was moving near 35 and 40. Our plan was to decrease the price in the Hero Zero plan, not increase it, which we could not recover. 13. Decide start strike price and quantity table to keep call or put. Decide start strike price and the price and quantity table to keep call or put. Quantity table. Start buying with one call from support or one put from registration. Never buy a call or put together. If you want a big loss, call with call first, sell all put. If you want to buy put first, sell all the calls. Otherwise, you will face a huge loss due to premium breakage. The quantity table starts from approximately 100 points plus for put, approximately 100 points minus for call. price call, put strike price call, put price quantity. 19, 970, 850, 19, 300, 200, 50, 20, 950 call. 19, 0, 30, 800, 19, 870, 350, 180, 150 call, 10, 1000 call, and so on. 14. Always the best strike price to enter the trade is 50 points in the money, and here is your plan. 1. Always the best strike price to enter the trade is 50 points in the money, because from here the profit amount increases equally but the loss amount does not. So keep changing the strike price after each 50 points on both the call and put sides. 2. For taking advantage of a one-sided market, keep buying at a small price in the money. Increase quantity as profit increases and scalp profit whenever it gets an opportunity. 3. Never trade in loss. Start with one lot. If you want to increase quantity on the loss side, you can buy one lot at another strike price and continue the same, but never trade on the loss. It means we can buy one lot after 50 points on the loss side. 4. After 1 pm, premium decay stops because premium decay has already been added, especially on the day of expiration. 5. Option sellers stop trading after 2:30 pm on the day of expiry, and buyers of the option get active. 6. Hero Zero timing is between 1 to 2:30 and 3:15. Price between 10 and 40. 7. Hero Zero plan starts below rupees 50 in the money with one lot towards 10 near 100 points, which is support or resistance, and volatility points. 8. Every plan both calls and puts, there must be success on one side after following all the plans. 9. After 3:15 on the day of expiry, settlement starts, so new traders can't take advantage of profit at that time and put off the take advantage of profit at that time and out of the money at buy time becomes 0, but in the money previous traders can take advantage. 15. Simple process to start, buy and keep only one lot in loss and increase quantity in profit only. 1. Buy one lot call at bottom or one lot put at support at a price near rupees 120 by following all rules. 3. Never buy and keep more than one lot never buy and keep more than one lot at a loss. 4. Increase the quantity of profit by selling one lot at the upper strike price and then buying two lots at the lower strike price. 5. Buy whichever expiry is near and one lot is available at a low price. Day of expiry: Monday Nifty Mid Cap, Tuesday Nifty, Wednesday Nifty Bank. Monthly and quarterly contracts of the banking index will continue to expire on Thursdays. Thursdays Nifty 50, Friday BSE, Sensex 30 and Bankex. Option trading starter for never increase quantity in loss. At the top in bearish market: 1. Buy Nifty 1 call out of the money, 10% premium at near 7. Sell 1 call at the money or nearest out of the money, 100% premium at near 70 to close first buy call, then sell call. Increase quantity in profit only and change the strike price when it becomes in the money. Or repeat the same process after minimum loss of 2000, keeping in mind risk management and the available balance. 2. Buy Nifty 1 call at near 25 out of the money, sell one call at the money or nearest out of the money at 72, close first, buy call, then sell call. Increase quantity in profit only, change the strike price when it becomes in the money, or repeat the same process after minimum loss of 2000, keeping in mind risk management and available balance. At the bottom in bullish market, repeat the two processes, but call become put and put become call. The near monthly expiry market may showing big movement in one direction, so try to take advantage of this movement as per the option chain data and market trends. As per option chain data, the Hero Zero plan will start on the day of expiry after 1 pm at a price between 1 and 10 maximum. Losses of rupees 1000 because the 2-time price has gone from 1 to 9 and the 5-time price has gone from 5 to 20. Buy without gap nearest day of expiry. After comparison between Nifty Midcap, Select, Nifty Financial Services, Nifty Bank, Nifty 50 after 1 pm. After checking all data, because from here premiums decay remain unchanged and keep one strike price and change the strike price only after 50 points change. Save yourself from premium decay by buying on a regular interval after 1 pm or on a near expiry day. Never buy near the strike price or in the morning, because during this period premiums and decay are very heavy. 16. Stop loss rules to decide and modify our day, week, month stop loss and target support or resistance points. Rainbow Team Life is disciplines else death in the money hourly momentum towards the global market chart and support resistance target stop loss plan. Stop loss rule 1. Never buy call or put together. Buy one lot 50 points in the money, call in green or put in red. From support or resistance, increase quantity in profit only. 17. Maximum 2000 losses are stop losses and 10,000 profits are the first targets. 1. Today profit was 32,000 but holding was 1,000 put and 800 call due to premium decay. Profit remains only 10,000. 2. Start with 50 calls and 50 puts and increase quantity with profit only. Increase and decrease quantity as per the given table. 3. After crossing 12,000 profit, stop loss will be 10,000 profit. Then new strike will start. 4. Start a new strike after booking 10,000 profit or 2,000 not. It means 2,000 loss is stop loss and 10,000 profit is first target. 5. Keep only one strike price of put or call active. If needed, one strike price of both call and put may be kept. If we keep more than one or two strike price, then rapid premium decay will start. 6. This plan is for fast moving market with at the money and nearest out of the money. Normally all plans will be applicable. Strength for option buying. Option buying would be profitable on any side market movement. If the market moves upside, then profit would be in call, and if market moves down, the profit would be in input. Buy. If you buy call and put with no premium which is available at high price, then the stable market there would be no loss in up market. There would be in call buy, and if the market moves down, then profit would be in input buy. If you buy call and put both sides with no premium which is available at high price, then in stable market there would be no loss. In up market there would be loss in put and more profit in call. Due to increase of premium input and in down market there would be less loss in call and more profit input due to increase of premium in call. Strength of option selling and weakness. In stable market or range bound market, option selling is profitable. If we sell options out of the money, both call and put, then in stable market range bound market, 50 point difference market there would be profit on both sides, but in big movement in any side will lead to big loss. In this trade we will be very careful and exit from trade immediately in big loss. And in big movement or any loss, go for option buying. We have lost our 99% money due to trade without hedging, or we have removed our hedge. If we have bought one call or put in these money after changing sometime bought call or put another side with 50-point difference and counter the premium decay by continuously buying or selling both sides cheap price, then most of the time we were in profit. So you must know due to this which reason you are continuously getting profit and why you got a loss and why you are getting a loss continuously. So now we know why we lost our all money, why we why profit getting profit continuously and why we were in loss continuously. 18. In case of profit, the minimum stop loss is given. Profit stop loss: 2,000, 200, 5,000, 2,000, 10,000, 5,000, 15,000, 15,000, 10,000 and so on. If we have kept call or put for protection or hedging, then increase the quantity with profit only. If market is going in one direction, then the strike price of the direction is available at a very high rate, but strike price of opposite directions is available at cheap prices which we can buy for protection, and when direction gets changed, then cheap price become costly by increasing or decreasing premium, as at the same time the call is available at less than premium and put is available at more than the premium. Must book profit time to time as per the support and resistance from where we can buy it again if market moves forward or backward slide. Patience is very important for stock market and option trading. We can keep patience only if we have less quantity and we are in profit. For the Hero Zero plan, best time is near to 3 p.m. Best place is near to 100 points. Second best place is near to 50 points. Best environment is globe market is favorable and cross common staples. Staples place. If a share is under the protection of any share and is showing a profit in total profit and loss, then we can keep it. 19. If quantity increased call side, put side or both sides without profit and without plan, then reduce the quantity to one lot. Start with 50 points and 50 for calls. Increase quantity only on the profit side. Whenever strike prices comes into below profit, exit from all holdings except one lot. Before profit comes in below 2,000. Increase the quantity again if it makes a profit. If quantity increased call side, put side or both sides without profit and without plan, then reduce the quantity to one lot. Yesterday's market was for scalping because it was moving more than 30 points up and down, but we were adding stop loss which was hitting it again and again. Today's call we did not hit stop loss single times as the market was in trend and not jumping too high or low, but we were averaging or hedging and faced huge losses. We made a Hero Zero plan with put, but we did not make a Hero Zero plan with call and faced huge losses later. We corrected our mistake and made a Hero Zero plan for the call side also and handled our trade. So we need to make a Hero Zero plan for both put and call and in the money. Whichever side goes into profit, increase quantity on that side only. The biggest mistake was that we did not make a plan Hero Zero towards the call side. Hero Zero means changing the strike price as per the price movement. For example, if we are getting profit on the put side, the biggest mistake was that we did not make a Hero Zero plan over the call side. Hero Zero means changing the strike price as per the price movement. For example, if we are getting profit on the put side and we have a 20,100 strike price, as the market goes down, change the strike price from 20,200 to 20,050 to 20,000 to 19,950 and so on. Previously, we bought so many strike prices in one time and faced huge losses due to premium decay. The same mistake we made today was that in expectation of the market going down, we bought too many strike prices on the put side, but the market moved towards the upside and we faced a huge loss. So never buy too many strikes at once. Buy only one call and one put strike price at a time. Whenever needed, shift from one strike price to the next strike price. Try to square off position at 925 because thereafter rapid premium decay starts. Tomorrow plan. Tomorrow, if Tomorrow plan. Tomorrow, if the market goes down and the hero zero plan will be with put. If the market goes up, the hero zero plan will be with a call. Always try to buy cheap and sell at a higher rate. 20. Suggestion given after 1,91,000 loss and old put table to follow. In the stock market, 80% of psychology works. Never lose money, so never trade without a plan. Start Friday at 10 a.m. by taking 50 calls and 50 puts. Book profit and start fresh after crossing 30 to 70 points. End on Thursday at 3:10 p.m. The profit side of a call and put would always be bigger than the loss side by adding or selling. Increase profit and quantity from support and resistance. Book profit and loss by keeping double and half call and put at least 50 points in the money. Cover loss from profit. 1. The given table is for profit in down market only, so this must be used when market is going down. 2. For profit in the up market, put would be with the base. Increase the quantity of calls as per profit to cover losses and increase profit. 3. For put in consolidation, buy and call, sell and put at a difference of at least rupees 5. 4. The put must not be less than the given table. Buy the call may be 0 to double as per profit and environment. 5. If money is not sufficient, so this plan can be implemented on expiry day. Lakshmi did not listen to her father's instructions, advice and indications and took decision as owner and above her father. 1. Buy and sell call at a 5 rupee difference, not followed. To keep and increase profit, not followed. 3. We did not follow the plan. 4. Taken decision in greed. She took a final loss of 1,91,000 on 6 September 2023. 5. We need to follow our 5 plans along with all other plans and rules. 6. Lakshmi's father, Uma, Saraswati and Harshita did not follow the plan and did not cross-check whether the plan was followed in trading or not. So they are also responsible for the loss. 7. Stop loss not followed. 8. We did not think about what we would do if market go up or sideways, but only put without thinking. Improvement suggested after 2,50,000 loss. Start with 50 calls and 50 puts. Never do anything on the loss side. Increase profit in quantity by scalping on the profit side. Only fresh start and stop loss point would be 70 and 30. Always try to decrease price by scalping, but quantity must be minimum, controllable or below a variable limit. If we have less money and want a big profit, then the above plan can be implemented in Hero Zero style. Keeping in mind the market trend of the market, never do hero zero or anything in loss, because we were doing hero zero out of the money we have taken a loss of 1 lakh. When we were doing hero zero against the trend and we with a huge loss, we got a loss of 1 lakh. In this way we faced huge losses by violating different rules. So never trade against the trend and plan. A stop loss is 70 and 30 points, and when it's reaching near to loss, entry can be minimum 10 points, maximum 30 points, and earlier for scalping. And profit to remain in profit as much as possible, because before reaching to loss, we will exit from the trade. 22. 5 main points given by 5 Rainbow team members. There will be different entry for continuation and a different entry for reversal. If it goes to 50 or 100 for the first time, there is a 95% chance for reversal, and if it goes to 50 or 100 for the second, third or fourth time, then we can plan for continuation trades as it is showing its power. 50 points in the money is the best option for entry. With 50 calls and 50 puts, profit would be a greater and loss would be less in this sequence. Entry as per market trend, supports and resistance. Entry with 50 calls and 50 puts increase the quantity of profit between double and half. Now give a gap in trade, because during that period we may miss the big opportunity, and then for taking advantage of the missed opportunity we can face a huge loss, as we have taken a loss of 35,000 on September 14. The most powerful and cheapest plan. The only and most feverish time for option buyers is after 1 p.m. After 1 p.m. and before starting the Ethiopian market. On the day of expiry, to start with one call and one put increase quantity by buying at a cheap price to decrease the price or bring the price in minus or increase quantity in profit only. Keep in mind how to avoid the above given worst situation. One answer may be maybe to try to bring the price down, buy and sell at regular intervals to avoid premium decay. How to start on the day of expiry after 1 p.m. or before starting the European market. Buy one call and one put, increase quantity by buying at a cheap price to decrease the price or increase the quantity in profit only. Keep in mind how to avoid the above given worst situation. One answer may be try to bring price in minus, buy and sell on regular intervals to avoid premium decay. Mistake and worst situation in this plan to must avoid or save yourself. Bought Nifty 1000 P and C both at 19,800 strike price on day of expiry on November 23, 2023. Market moved 10 points up and down. Both sides finally closed at 19,800. We faced loss of 50,000. Thank you for watching this video.